Yeah, it is. Okay, 1/3. That's my doctor right there. It says my name. Well, let's see mine.
There's a sign there that says Gabriel. Yeah, that's a blind wax one. It's got 2 blades in it. 2 big blades.
A paint teardrop. No, I haven't seen these for a while.
Here it is. Hey, let's get the thing right around it, it's okay. Let's cast another one.
Okay, that's how we'll go.
That's an M&M's track.
Still.
Blinds are like sinking in the hole.
This thing is 1,200. Over here we have a Duquesne. It looks like.
Yeah, this is Duquesne.
Yeah, this looks to be a Duquesne
It
unit.
says Duquesne on the front. But the logo fell off
Take
somehow.
that flower out of there. Heat pump. Pick up on school pump right through. There's their sheet. I got 2 blind Lexi lines right here. There's the air on that one. Here's this one. I think I can actually get this one right here. This one. Yeah, I can. Here we go. Heat pump has not been running. This one's from January 2009. It's older than the other things. Gentic fan motor. And over here we got a new pair of 6.6 Performer series.
And then you have the blind.
I think it's brand spanking new.
It's not right.
Look at how new this thing is. Let's go see how old it is.
Time we went here.
Oh, we did. Yeah, she's all the way back here.
One point has a sticker.
This thing is from 2024. It's 1 year old.
Yeah, I think
That
it's
motor.
really new.
That
Logo on it.
boy tells you what direction it's supposed to do. It spins clockwise. That's it.